Hey, what's going on, guys? James here. I want to do a video on, it's really a case study on a trade that I am in right now. I'm going to show you a coin that's already up 50% from when I got in just a couple days ago. And really the reason I want to do this case study is to hopefully give you like an inside look into what's happening in the world of cryptocurrency. So I am by no means an expert trader. I'm not giving signals or anything like that, but I wanted to show you this trade because at the end of the day, this is something that I've learned from literally not knowing anything about 2 months, maybe 2.5 months ago, to being able to do my own trades in the cryptocurrency markets. And it's insane what is happening right now. A lot of these coins are pumping 100, 200, 300%, and you can make ridiculous. Instead, like, I know that there's some people that are just in Bitcoin and you're just holding on to Bitcoin, and that in itself is great. You'll probably double, triple, maybe even quadruple your money over the next 6 to 12 months. But if you learn the skill of trading, you could actually potentially, I'm not guaranteeing this, but right now with the market conditions, you could potentially earn 400-500% on your money in 30 days, maybe even 1,000% on your money. And I'm talking in 30 to 60 day periods. And that's what I am endeavoring to do. So let me show you this trade. This is a trade or a coin called Rise. I don't really know what Rise, the project behind it. I don't really know the fundamentals behind it. I just trade based on chart patterns and things like that. And so this is a trade. I'm looking at the 6-hour chart. And what that means is that each of these candles represents a 6-hour window. Okay, so I got into this trade a couple days ago, and I probably need to scroll over here to the right. These are the prices on the right hand side. I actually got into this trade around the 75.50 mark. So 0.00007550 Bitcoin is where I got into this trade. Let me draw a line. I'll probably just draw like a horizontal line. Let me just do that. Okay, so I got in right around here. That's about right where I got in. And since I've gotten in, now that's not exact, but it's pretty dang close. All right, maybe I can bring this down a tad. Okay, right around there. All right, now since I've gotten into this trade, now I've been in the trade for a few days, so it's not exactly a day trade, but I've been in it for a few days. Here is the percentage that it has gone up. All right, so I think I had like $500 on this trade or something like that, and it has gone up 50% in just a few days. All right, so I'm still in the trade. The target on this is actually a lot higher than this. I trade on something called Elliott wave theory. So the way that I trade is you can see this all throughout the markets. And I'm not trying to teach this right now. I'm just trying to show you what I'm actually looking at. I'm looking at trades that are, actually kind of like this. So there's always 5 waves in an Elliott wave set, I guess you could say. So I'm actually looking for something more like this. All right, here's what's probably going to happen. I'll probably come back down around here. And I'm not saying these are the exact prices these waves are going to happen, but I'm looking for the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what I'm trading. So I'm actually believing that this rise is going to break out and go up to the 3 spot. It may not go up that high. I'm not going to go through how to get target prices and all that, but this is what I'm trading right here. And what's really cool about this, and then after it gets up to the 5, there will usually always be a correction. So there will be something like this. It'll end up coming down like this. Okay, so there'll always be something like that, but I'm going to trade this all the way up. This is the first wave in the this 1 and 2. Is I got in right above this 2, and I'm actually riding this 3 wave up. Okay, and so guys, that's it. Like, there's a potential that this trade could get us 80%, 100% profits. Regardless if anything crazy happens, I have a stop order set so that if the price actually drops too far down, I'm still going to lock in like at least a 40% profit guaranteed no matter what. So guys, the market conditions are insane right now. If you want to learn how to do this stuff, I am not the teacher behind this, but I have a friend that has made 140 times on his money since January, and we have a community where you can come in and learn how to do this stuff. So in order to show you what we have, we set up a no-cost webinar. It doesn't cost anything, and you can come to our webinar and you will actually learn learn stuff on the webinar. You're going to see how my friend Dallin made it $10,000 on a Ripple trade in 24 hours. It wasn't by guessing, it wasn't by luck, but basically by looking at chart patterns. We're going to show you some of this stuff on our webinar. So if you want access to that, just leave a comment below. Let us know. Feel free to message me. If you see a link around this video, just click the link and register, and you'll be able to see what it is that we're doing. So thanks for watching this video, and we'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. Peace.